This is Lance, and he likes rotaries. Government Rally Garage, we're taking this Mazda and another Mazda and swapping it for another Mazda. This is going to be awesome. Let's go. So what have we got here, Lance?
It's just a 13B Bridgeport IDA. It was a slap together for impulsive event, which was well worth it. Plans were to mini truck it and keep it, but plans changed.
Yeah, because this opportunity for this other Mazda that we're alluding to, that we're not going to tell everyone what it is till we get there. It's going to be quite exciting, eh?
It's very exciting.
Yeah.
It's not much sleep last night.
They're one of my favourite cars, the car that we're going to get. So Ethan's driving that Mazda there, the blue one. And this Mazda here obviously is the Ute. This is a relatively straight swap, eh, Lance? Putting the Rotary into the Ute.
It wasn't too bad. Custom engine mounts, Rx7 bell housing, and a little bit of work on the input shaft.
But you pretty much don't touch anything from about here back, eh?
No, nothing.
No.
It's all on the factory gearbox mount. Everything's in the same location.
Pretty cool, eh?
Weight's a little bit further back, which is nice.
Yep. How Ute should have been, eh?
Yeah.
Sweet. Well, let's lock and load.
Okay, so no telling secrets, Lance.
Oh, we can tell them. We just don't put them in the video.
All right, okay. Love you.
Love you.
Love you too, Liv.
Okay, love you too, Dad. Look after lads.
We'll be
You'd
fine.
have fun. What? It'd be like old school road trips.
I know, that's what I want to
Just
do.
in good vehicles, eh?
Yeah, I know, that's the buzzy thing, eh?
Just like comfortable.
When your mate's like, oh, you know, if you have any trouble, I'm like, I think we will. We've got like a 1-year-old Ute and a brand
did
new
you bring
trailer.
the socket set?
No.
You were going to?
No, we're right. We're fine.
I can't think of anything we'd need it for.
No.
Everything's behaving. Going well so far. The convoy's still intact. All good, Mikey? Man. And then the little hatchback's going well. Ethan's actually having a good time. He was telling us earlier it's quite fun. Which it probably would be, to be fair. It's a 23, so 2.3 litre auto. It's got a little... Yeah, let's go get food. You having fun, Ethan? Yeah. Yay! You there, Mikey?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, that's the first time I've actually heard you on this.
Oh, okay. That's it. I thought you could hear me earlier as well. Yeah, no, I just found my handset. It was down underneath everything. I'm just learning about the starlet, how everything just falls to the lowest point all the time. You know,
Damn gravity. Quick stop off to see Richard because we were going past, and back on the truck. We've got an hour and a half to hour, I think. Everything's looking good.
Park behind the silver Beamer wagon.
Oh, yeah.
Good luck.
Oh. Dude.
Right. How good.
That's pretty cool.
How good.
Like, that's really cool.
Let's go.
Well, yeah.
Oh, it's about 6 years old.
Hey man. Good.
G'day.
I'm Gator.
Troy here.
Troy, how's it?
Hey man, I'm Lance.
Hey Lance, how are you?
Good man.
Sweet,
Good.
man. If I shift that one, you can pull right up and put the ute up on that bit of lawn.
Cool, man.
Oh, wicked.
Kind of puts the trailer at a decent.
Love your work. Yep.
Yeah.
I'll give you a sneak peek. Look. Look over there. It's pretty exciting. Cool.
Yeah, it's got, either either. There's enough guys here to push it on.
Yeah, well, I'll
Or if you want,
Or you can pull it on
actually-
down there.
Good.
a bit more on the right. That's right.
On my,
What's that side look like?
on my
Perfect. Absolutely perfect.
Ready?
Yep. How does it go, bro? Where do you want it? Choice. How was it? How was your first drive?
Oh, it was amazing.
Yeah?
Amazing. It's still got
And the tyres made it through it. I'm surprised. It's not like you.
Windows up, windows down.
Yeah.
Was the battery in the boat?
Oh, the electric open poppers.
cool. Plates in there and everything.
Yeah, there'll be the front plate. And just boxes and boxes of, like I say, there's a heap of bits in it.
Yeah.
When I brought it, he just chucked, just take all the stuff
Yeah.
and get out of my shed.
Oh, yeah.
And I was like, shiny RX7.
Yeah.
Let's just leave quickly.
You know how that feels, eh, Lance?
I know exactly how.
It's pretty rad, man. And someone bought it a Link sticker.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
Yeah, you give it a birthday. Great to have one, isn't it?
Yeah, I know, right?
Good start.
Rad. Not a demi-o.
You look like the sort.
All loaded up ready. All done. Ready to do the trip back home. I'm really excited. I'm a big FC fan. They're actually my favourite RX of the 7 series, the RX7s. The FC is my favourite. I think FDs are beautiful, but I really like FCs. I think they've just got great lines, good proportions. Yes. Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
waiting
it's
for
got a
you.
350 in it.
Yeah, that's right. What? The other purple one did.
Yeah, I think that was good. I think it was flapping around.
not.
You screwdriver to open the pin there.
Yeah. Or I can just like
Check it up in the
get the heels thing here.
cable ties. What's the better way going, right? You know,
Yeah, it's just stopping in and falling out the front really. And bouncing down the road. Shouldn't, but you never know, eh? Okay, so fast.
Yeah. It's even got a Sony Explode sticker, it must be fast.
Oh yeah. Well, I haven't seen those for a while.
The driver's window was down and the weather was turning for the worst, so we decided to be safe and pulled into Richard's again to put the window up. So what's the plan, Lance? It looks like you need Mark to have a look at this guy. Jesus. It's like it's rubbed on something. No.
Why would it be bolted down?
So it doesn't fall off.
Why would it be?
I see what you mean about the G ready.
It's such a small turbo.
Yeah.
It's just fake.
Yeah. Factory says full turbo.
Do you reckon it'll work or not?
The car?
You used to
No,
see the
the-
little arrow?
Oh yeah, it's just a little bit of burn.
No, I didn't.
No, I mean the window.
So.
Alright, go.
Yeah.
It made noises.
Oh yes.
Hey, we got it right.
Hand up.
Hey Lance.
Yeah.
I got to turn your car on before you did.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is, eh?
That's a bit gnarly.
Said that someone's hit it and then it's caused something.
Yeah.
It's all bog.
I think it's all bog.
It changes pitches.
There's obviously some steel in there, or it wouldn't have a dent.
Man, great success.
Yeah.
Now we can carry on our missions. Hey Lance, are you excited?
I'm pretty excited, yeah.
Yay! I'm
I'm
pretty
excited, to
excited.
be fair.
Hey Molly, do you reckon it's pretty cool? Watch out mate, there's a car moving. Go stand over there, Molly. You're alright. It's pretty cool, eh? Do you like the colour? Yeah, I reckon it's neat. Well, maybe if you ask Dad nicely enough, he'll paint it bright pink. Hey Lance,
Wow.
she can
ask.
ask.
She can ask.
Just checking out the main car. Main bro, start her up.
It doesn't go yet, eh?
Not even slightly. It's missing lots of bits. Yep, good for me. Hey? Looking good.
Yeah.
Look at it go. Hey, it's in. It's in, lads. We did it.
Yeah.
We did it. Yes.
Yes.
From the ECU?
From the East. No, how do I test the ECU? Yeah, bro, when you're ready.